Hi, my name is Kirsty Bolingbroke and welcome to the 7th of our weekly updates looking at how the COVID-19 lockdown has affected the UK construction industry. This week, there have been more reports in the trade press of contractors and developers planning to reopen their sites after adapting them to include social distancing measures. And accordingly, we have started to see the number of suspended sites reduce. As of yesterday, there are 3,152 sites still closed as a result of coronavirus, but this is down from the 3,212 we had reported on last week. Work has resumed on 11% of the sites that were initially suspended at the outset of lockdown, and we expect to see this number rise steadily over the coming weeks as an increasing number of house builders begin a phased approach to reopening their sites. Persimmon have already opened a number of their sites this week, which is an encouraging sign, and so we're sure to see the impact on the private housing sector reduce, which currently has 60% of its sites suspended. If we turn our attention to project starts, our data shows that the value of projects starting on site in April has fallen by about half compared to last year. But it is encouraging to see that over 160 projects did begin on site last month. And whilst a lot of them do include projects directly related to the coronavirus outbreak, such as the temporary Nightingale Hospital, we did see starts in all industry sectors and throughout the entire of the UK, which shows that where possible, the industry is keen to continue work. More good news is that overall the early development pipeline still remains relatively firm. The number of planning applications being published by local authorities has averaged around 1,331 a day over the last week, which is just 15% down compared to the prior COVID-19 lockdown. Published decisions are also following a similar trend, which is just 13% lower. The decline is relatively modest, and we do see local authorities continue to adapt to the lockdown environment to ensure that there is a minimal backlog when processing applications and decisions. This week, I was able to tune in to the Bournemouth Christchurch Pool committee meeting, and we are seeing many more local authorities move their planning committees online. We're also seeing more positive stories in the immediate pipeline. This week, we added an average of 70 bidders per day, and this is the highest we have averaged since lockdown began, where numbers did decrease to around the 50 to 60 mark. It's also showing a strong return to the pre-COVID era when we were adding around 90 bidders a day. The decrease could be due to the delays in decision-making processes, but we've also seen a number of big tenders start to get extended to allow contractors more time to submit their bids whilst operating a potentially reduced workforce. We've also seen an increase in the number of main contract awards over the past 2 weeks, following a continual decline since mid-March, which hints at a returning confidence amongst clients to progress future projects. As lockdown restrictions ease, we anticipate a rebound in the number of invitations to tender and contract awards. All in all, it has been a very positive week for construction, and our data shows that we can remain optimistic for the future of the industry. As always, we're hoping you're finding these updates useful, and if you'd like to talk to us about the data behind the numbers that we've spoken about, or if you would like some help finding where the future pipeline exists for your business, please do get in touch. We're here to help and support the industry. But for now, we thank you for watching, and as ever, stay safe and take care. Thank you.